Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Then you have to locate and open security, which is here, and now go to screen lock. It's time to decide what kind of screen lock you would like to have, so you can pick pattern, pin code or the password. Let me pick, for example, the pin code. And you can also, for some further protection, use this pin code before your device starts up, but I will skip this option. And now just enter the pin code, which must have be at least 4 digits long. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4, continue. OK. And finally decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you won't see notifications at all, and I will pick the last option and then click on done. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you will not be able to unlock your phone without this pin code. Now you just have to enter it, click on confirmation mark, and that's it. Now it's unlocked. So that's all. This is how you can protect your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.